Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 24th, 2022, and as you can see, the Forex calendar is not that much busy today. On Thursday, 24th November 2022, we have only two events that are very important for the Forex traders. The first one is the German Ifo Business Climate Index, the General Business Climate Index, which is expected to improve for the month of November. The previous reading was 84.3 points, the forecast is 85, so any number that will beat 85 points will likely cause the euro dollar to rally even higher. So that's the German data, and 2:30 we got the ECB that will publish the account of the monetary policy meeting from last week. So very interesting document in case of the monetary policy, ECB monetary policy. So anyone who is interested in that should be aware of the fact that today at 2:30 ECB will release this the accounts of the monetary policy meeting. So that's it for today. Two most important events that are taking place later on today had been presented. So let's now just switch to the technical part. We will start with euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar is showing us very nice rebound from the breakout from the triangle low. The local low was made at 1.0227, and since then we've been rallying higher and higher. Recent local high 1.0448, so we are approaching the wave A high located at 1.0480. so there is less than 40 pips missing in order to complete this rally. So in the Elliott wave terms, we still have to complete the wave C to the upside. However, please notice the fact that this is the wave 1, this is wave 2, this is possibly wave 3, it might be, sorry, wave 3, wave 4 and 5. However, due to the triangle here, right, the other scenario is like that. So in that scenario, which is better for boost, I will tell you in a minute why, this is fifth wave to the upside developing. So we got 5 possible 3 to the downside, 5 to the upside. So we are finishing our complex ABCX complex corrective scenario as a zigzag. Yeah, so the last ABC is a zigzag. Should be, I mean we will see later on what that will be in the future. However, if we try to count it last 1, 2, this is 3, and it's even better to count it as 3 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. The fifth is the shortest one. That's possibly 4. Yeah, this is the bottom for the wave 4, and we are missing the what? We are missing wave 5 to the upside, and when the wave 5 is done, then of course wave A is completed, right? So this is how it looks like for the wave A, and then correction wave B, and we can still rally in wave 3, and the target for the wave wave 3 or wave C is not 1.06 something, it will be much higher, just because this wave here, the wave A, is possibly 5-wave impulsive structure as a part of the zigzag. So very good scenario for boost. Let's do some targets. The targets for the based on the actual count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking for the top for the wave 5. So what we do the obvious. And what do we have here? We have 1 is too much, but maybe this might be the target, of course. So let's, yeah, there you go. That's the target for the wave 5. Targets for the wave 5. Wave 5 targets now on the chart. And the, let's say, the external Fibonacci levels Where are they? Let's say external 161. There you go, and maybe 2. There you go. So we have a pretty decent zone as a target for the wave 5. I'm not quite sure which one will be there. So one last thing, if we measure the price range, let me just take the measurement of the price, and let's say 3.74%. Fine. So from the bottom of the wave 4 to the top of the wave 5, this is there was 74, right? So yeah, this is roughly somewhere there. So I guess that according to the Fibonacci projection, the highest probability zone for the target for the wave 5 of wave A is between 1.0623 and 1.0608, basically. So this is the target for the wave A. Let me just move it higher so you can see. There you go. The wave 5 might end somewhere there. This is the target for the wave 5. Yeah, there you go. So let me just remove this wave because too many lines is here. There you go. This is the target. Of course, it can be extended towards 1.0672, 1.0716. However, there you go. C is much higher. However, we just need this cycle, internal cycle, to complete. So that's the current scenario. This is where we going on the euro dollar. Right, that's the euro dollar. We got data from the eurozone, so that's almost the same. So let's take a look at euro to the Japanese yen. What is going on here? Daily time frame chart. Very nice wave progression to the upside. 1 2 3 4 5 waves done, and now we are, of course, as you can see, correcting the up move. It's very easy to see which one is the impulsive and which one is the corrective. Yeah, you can see it straight on. There's no need for the sophisticated technical knowledge. Look at this: local top, first touch, second touch, third touch. So definitely this is something the best pay attention to, and they keep selling every time markets move somewhere there. Look at this perfect channel on the euro dollar daily time frame chart. Let's just move in a little bit closer here. Right, so we are trading inside of the channel. I will even switch. I will delete this level here and put my technical resistance line around here, 148.34. There you go, to the pip. Is the current swing high. We got ABC. We are missing one more wave to the downside in terms of the ABC. So it looks like maybe the lower channel line will be tested soon, as the target should be around 140.88. This might be, let me just point it out, this might be very nice, very strong technical support. I will extend it to the right side so you guys can see what I mean. If they will come like this to the downside, we can do the projection. Do we have the ghost feed? There you go. And if we move this, let me just delete this one. How many times it will be doing this? Okay, so now right, that's it. I don't want anything of this. Okay, there you go. So what I mean is that if we go like that, okay, in the future we can see the movement to the downside around here, maybe something like this. Yeah, so we need this, and then of course ABCD ABC will be done, and the correction is completed. Market is ready for another move to the upside. So this is how it looks like on the euro to the Japanese yen. This is what we are waiting for, basically, on this market. So very helpful Elliott wave count was done here. Another thing is the euro to the British pound. Of course, This is another very interesting market, and as you can see, we have been trading sideways, basically just above 8,582 level, as the breakout was fake. However, we can still have this line here. It's not from the very exposed top. This is very big pin bar, very important pin bar. So maybe, okay, let's remove this. Since then, of course, we tested the 8,582 1, 2, 3, 4 times. There is almost a hit here yesterday for the 5th time, so it looks like the bearish pressure is still quite strong. The market doesn't want to respect this level, so it's not necessary for us to keep it on the chart. It's useless in the technical matter. So what do? Is that we are going to move to the levels that the market knows already and respects. So these levels here are the technical resistances: 8,828, 8,865, 9,064 pips, and we are moving lower. As you can see, towards the level of 8,582, which is the technical support, of course, tested many times. So what we need right now is a breakout to the downside towards 8,402. This is the next target for the euro to the British pound. Daily time frame chart keep going down. What is going on then on gold market? Let's take a look at the spot gold at the end of our analysis. There you go. Our analysis was spot on. We tested the level of 1,729, and now we are waiting for extension to the upside. Our orange rectangle was hit perfectly, so we don't need this one anymore. And after that breakout, this rally here was very impulsive, very aggressive. We have a pullback. We are bouncing back up. The next target is around the level of 1,807. This is the next target for gold in this market. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.